Hola, my name is Emily Aldama. I'm a PTA here in Watsonville. I'm new to the Watsonville Balance PT crew. I've been a PTA for 6 years, working mostly in Watsonville with outpatient orthopedic patients. What inspired me to become a PTA is my aunt getting really sick and needing a lot of PT. And so at a young age, I saw what physical therapists did and how they help people, and I just wanted to do that for my community, especially my Spanish-speaking community. I really enjoy physical therapy to help people reach their goals, if it's like getting to the toilet with better ease or having less pain when playing with their kids. Is really what I enjoy most. I come to work, make people feel better, and go home stress-free. It's awesome and I love it. I prefer to specialize in outpatient orthopedics, mostly the adult population. I really enjoy working with post-op patients. Anywhere from shoulders and knees are my favorite. A tip I would give someone is to just keep moving. Any movement is better than no movement. Even if a simple walk down the block is so nice. If you enjoy walking, go outside in wonderful California, go to the park, go to the beach, go to anywhere you like to. Just smell the fresh air and you get your exercise in at the same time.